Okay, we'll do it in order. We'll start over there for you, okay? Go. Now center. We're coming. Now here. You're following, no, Zinove? And here. Now. Ek minute, darling, ek minute. Turn this way. Special. Okay? Center now.
Great. I think that's good.
Superb.
Yeah? I'm sure just like they want to take pictures, they have a few questions.
How much you are comfortable with the perfumes?
With the perfume?
हाँ जी.
मतलब body perfumes?
हाँ, कोई भी flavor, fragrance वगैरह वगैरह.
I think it's become part and parcel of our lives. We live in a very humid city. There's a lot of sweating that happens, and everybody likes to have his own or her individual odor. It's a fragrance rather than using the word odor. I am very comfortable with it. In the house also, I have become very particular now. The house, when guests come in, it should smell good. Because if you walk into a very well-done house with the most expensive indoor decor, and it doesn't smell good, it's like serving a biryani with some sand on it. Biryani kamal ki sand dal diya, wo taste mein maza nahi aayega. Similarly, when you enter a house, you need to feel good. It also sets up better conversation, let me tell you. And in a house that smells nice, I don't want to use the word romantic here, we are in a public place, but it definitely sets up better conversation. I know it for a fact. You feel good, you speak happier things.
And आज आपको लगाया है कि आपने लोबो आपके कोट के ऊपर?
मैं हाँ जी.
कुछ मोनोग्राम होना चाहिए MB Pure का आपके ऊपर.
I didn't hear that.
Monogram, logo he meant.
We were expecting on your coat also.
It's on my coat?
Yeah, we were expecting that.
You know what?
Like Richa ji is.
Yeah, I had one. वो jacket किधर है मोहन? That jacket got dirty and I changed it. This is the one I used in the ad film. But I have a monogram jacket. लेकिन पीछे पूरा monogram ही है. हम लोग ने सब blue पहन के आए. Sorry यार.
कोई बात नहीं. Richa ji एक question आपसे.
Richa ji.
Can you share कुछ incidents of the perfume खुशबू के बारे में कुछ अपनी जिंदगी का कोई?
Some incident about some odor. बराबर ना?
किसी भी चीज का.
हेलो. किस तरह का इंसिडेंट?
कुछ खुशबू से ताल्लुक रखता हो.
खुशबू बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. One of the 5 senses होती है. तो मेरे लिए खुशबू मतलब जैसे खाने की खुशबू से घर की याद आती है. You know your mother's cooking. That is an experience for me.
Good, Lakshmi. Thank you.
Bhavan, hello, check.
Yep.
Hello, check.
Superb, Richa, you are too good.
हेलो बमन सर.
Yes, sir.
जब भी किसी प्रोडक्ट को आप इंडोर्स करते हैं तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती हैं.
जी.
अभी आपने पास में कंट्रोवर्सीज देखी थी बच्चन साहब के साथ. तो इस प्रोडक्ट को लेकर जब आपके पास ऑफर आया तो आपने क्या क्या चीजें अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के आधार पे आपने इसको साइन किया?
देखो, हमने अभी एक बहुत ही साइंटिफिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देखा. जैसे कि लग रहा है कि केमिस्ट्री लैब में हुआ है. बट there will be experiments, they can explain everything to you, but we don't know exactly what happens. But reputed companies and a product that you use will always be something that I am happy to endorse. कोई problem नहीं. अगर मैं मेरे घर में use करता हूँ, I'm more than, and I was using this product about 6 months before the brand ambassadorship came to me. Otherwise, we will doubt every single thing that we do in this world, including you, including the food we eat, including this coat that we wear. There'll be something inside it. There is no end to it. We're living in a modern world, a very manufactured world. We cannot go on doubting everything for the rest of our lives. Products are available in the market. As long as the FDA has approved it, I'm okay with it. As long as ethically it is right for me. I will not endorse products that are harmful. You know what I'm saying.
कौन सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसे आप कभी भी इंडोर्स नहीं करना चाहेंगे?
I just mentioned I will not endorse any
specific product.
Tobacco product, definitely out of the question. No question about it.
बोबन जी, आप ये 6 महीनों से प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, तो इसकी इफेक्टिवनेस के बारे में आप कुछ कह सकते हैं कि कितनी देर ये फ्रेग्रेंस रहती है बिफोर के वो उसकी फिर से आ जाती है, और कैसा लगता है आपको ये? आप जब घर में आते हैं तो आपको पता चलता है कि आज एमी प्योर की फ्रेग्रेंस आ रही है?
वेरी नाइस. सी, पहले तो हम बम्बे में रहते हैं, बहुत सारे स्मेल्स बाहर से भी आते हैं. हमारे दरवाजे पे आप फिश पर्सन, वेजिटेबल वेंडर, सब लोग दरवाजे पे आके इन गुड ओल्ड पारसी होम्स स्टाइल में दरवाजे पे हम लोग खरीदते हैं. We come out from very sweaty situations, shooting के वक्त, we come out with smelly clothes, sweaty stuff, we put it in a tub or we leave it on the floor in the bathroom. Those smells are, we have 2 lovely doggies in the house. जितना भी हमें उसे प्यार करें, जितने हम लोग बोले हमारी प्रिंसेसेस है, लेकिन वहाँ से भी ओडर आती है, बदबू आती है. हमारी किचन माशाल्लाह हमारे घर में we have guests all the time, whether they are coming to stay or whether they are coming to eat. So our kitchen is a 24-hour kitchen with very, very good food. And good food, while you're preparing good food, will always have strong smells. With tadka, as they say, fish, as we say, spices, they smell. Now, I used to, in my den, कभी मेरी den बंद रहती है हमेशा. तो मैं जब शूटिंग से आता हूँ 10-12 दिन के बाद तो खोलता हूँ तो थोड़ा एक मस्ती स्मेल आता है. Because it's not been opened, I keep my den shut. I used to use पहले deodorant, फिर deodorant का कुछ मजा नहीं आया वाला deodorant शायद. I used to use expensive perfumes. It's not meant for the air. It's not meant to freshen the fragrance of the house. It's meant for the body. Then Zenobia, you brought Ambipure. Zenobia brought Ambipure and I started using it. I started feeling great about it. 6 महीने के बाद when the thing came to me, मैं वही den में बैठा था, Zenobia वहाँ bean bag पे बैठी थी. And I said, some inquiry for air freshener. Say, what, Ambipure? Arey, yaar, wonderful, we'll get free Ambipure. I mean, just it's a joke. But उसे ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, I have to be honest. लेकिन, but that's the truth of the matter. That is the truth of the matter. नहीं तो मैं इतनी बात नहीं कर सकता. Normally मैं बोलूँगा कि बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कोई अगर जूते का it feels good in the feet. उससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? But about Ambipure I can say a lot because I am a daily regular user in the bathroom. For whatever reason, around the dogs, in my den, and Zenobia is in the kitchen. मैं kitchen में जाके नहीं करता हूँ, मेरा काम नहीं है वहाँ पे, कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Thank you. Nice question. Thank you.
Zenobia madam, hi.
Tell her your name also ना.
आपका नाम बताओ.
आपका नाम भी बोलो ना.
अरुण कुमार.
Hi अरुण.
Hi. इतने एनर्जेटिक हस्बैंड है ये आपके और इतने काफी रोमांटिक हैं. तो आप इतना काफी शाय क्यों रहती हैं? काफी चुप हैं. कुछ हम चाहते हैं कुछ बोले आप इसके बारे में.
आप पूछेंगे तो बोलेंगे.
जी कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आज का यहाँ का?
बहुत अच्छा. ये मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है. थोड़ा नर्वस भी हूँ बट ठीक है बिकॉज आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट सो मैं बोल सकती हूँ इसके बारे में. अदरवाइज आई एम बेसिकली अ शाय पर्सन बट आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट दैट शाय टुडे.
I think that's lovely.
ज़रूर Ambipure और कुत्ते के बारे में बात कर सकती है.
आप अगर मेरे डॉगी के बारे में भी पूछेंगे तो मैं ये खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
और मेरे बारे में?
नहीं ये
मैं ही खत्म हो जाऊंगा मेरे बारे में बोले.
बमन खाना बनाते हैं ये किचन में आपकी हेल्प करते हैं आपकी?
सॉरी
खाना बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं आपकी?
खाना नहीं बनाते. वो बॉईल भी नहीं कर सकते पानी.
Baban, lots of secrets being revealed today.
अच्छा इतने ही सीक्रेट बाहर जाए इतना अच्छा है उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
But that is not his department. वैसे मैं एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकती वो खाना नहीं बना सकते.
मेरा क्या डिपार्टमेंट है घर में फिर? बोल ना मैं घर में करता क्या हूँ?
क्या क्या करते हैं ये घर में? हाँ
प्ले स्टेशन.
बस अभी चुप.
Now we'll take one final question. अगर किसी को
She did well today.
Yeah, we'll do the one-on-ones in a while. Okay, there's time for that.
Not bad.
We're done with the questions. Fantastic. I think the three of you have been absolutely wonderful. Okay, we've thanks to you, we now know that Ambipure can definitely take on the challenge and the battle against India's toughest odor. But we still have to prove that.
We still have to prove that.
Yes.
Two things. First of all, thank you, Richa, for coming. Everyone, let's hear for my most talented actress. Richa, real darling, we need to work together, okay? And of course, for the first time facing the press, it's not a very easy thing to do. But Zenobia, you did great today. Please, let's hear it for my wife.
Yeah, we need to give her a big round of applause, of course.
इतनी तालियां तो मुझे भी कभी नहीं मिली life में.
Now you've got real competition.
A real competition.
Yes.
Sure.
Great. Now, we told you we are here to battle India's toughest odor, that of Tadka, which has been, through our survey, proved to be the most annoying odor that people have voted in Indian households. We'll be opening those doors which has been sprayed with Ambipure just a little while ago. Okay, you all experienced that annoying odor when you went into register over there. Now it's time to see the transformation because Ambipure truly eliminates the odor. Okay,
Right.
so on the count of 3, we're going to.
It doesn't cover, it eliminates.
It doesn't cover.
And
it
leaves behind a fragrance.
Fragrance.
So are
So
we
that's
going
what
in?
we're going to do.
Are they coming in with us?
First we step in and then we'll get them
Pehle
to
hum
join us.
jayenge.
Okay.
Okay.
So 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Come. We are here. Superb.
Yes, it cooked here, yes. Richa, what you don't know, you know about the fish. But what you don't know is there was a very, very strong odor of tadka. Yeah?
Foul. We couldn't stand in
yeah.
here.
We couldn't
Foul
stand
smell.
here. When we stepped in, we had to walk out. Okay, it was
Yeah.
that bad. This has been the transformation after just a little
But
while.
हमारे
with
बोलने से
Ambipure.
कोई फर्क
कोई
नहीं
फर्क नहीं
पड़ता. I
पड़ेगा.
think
So
all-
why don't you choose a few
नहीं,
who can come in, join
please
us over here?
Few of you, come on, ladies, come on, gents.
Yeah.
Papa ji, आप भी आइए, please come. Please come, ladies, come.
Yeah. Richa,
Photographers will not leave their cameras.
what is this
Come now, Baba.
fragrance reminding you of?
Vanilla.
Come.
Vanilla. Yeah, that's
Come,
great. And could
Come
you have
now.
made out that we cooked here a
sir.
little while ago?
No, not at all. Not in the
आप
least.
गए थे अंदर.
The least.
Another guest.
Yeah.
None
Zinnovia
of
ma'am,
this.
you must be very happy. सर,
थोड़ा
आप
एक दो जोक
यहाँ पर
मारो.
आइए. आप हमें बताइए, आप यहाँ पर आके आपने रजिस्टर किया था. ओके, तब कैसा था?
खुशबू आ रही थी अलग अलग चीजों की, कुछ अच्छी या बुरी, ऐसा है mix। अभी बड़ा अच्छा लगा।
अभी बड़ा अच्छा है. तो कुछ ही देर में आपने पता कर लिया कि एम्बीप्योर बिल्कुल बदबू को मिटा देता है.
बिल्कुल मिटा जाता है, बिल्कुल मिटा।
यस, यस, आप आइए. आपका